Don't torture yourself with outdated tools, friends. This is the Max Bot channel. Now in front of you on the screen is a screenshot with a testimonial from a trader who very quickly earned $16,000 from $10. How? With the help of an advanced robot assistant. You can pick up this tool for free right now. The link is in the description. In a month you will only be able to do it for a fee, so I advise you to hurry up. And also subscribe to the channel and click on the bell. I will publish more interesting videos. Put likes and write comments. And now let's trade with the help of the bot. He is able to analyze the OTC market and give a profit on weekends. Lower. It's a signal from artificial intelligence. Time frame 5 minutes, currency pair pound, yen OTC. I entered the market according to this signal. On historical data, I see areas of declining highs that show the increasing influence of sellers on the market. I think that they will saturate the market with volumes even more intensively and I will close the deal in plus. I am confident in the signal from the bot. By the way, the periodicity of data update in the robot is 1 minute. Pick it up for free at the link in the description. Also you will have access to an exclusive chat with my predictions and a promo code for plus 100% to deposit. That is, for example, making a deposit of $50 you will get $50 bonus on top of that. Promo code works on the first deposit. Traders, let's get something straight. The market isn't just about numbers, charts, and cold, hard logic. It's about people, their emotions, their fears, their greed. Every price movement you see? It's not magic. It's psychology in motion. The markets don't move because of lines on a chart. They move because traders make decisions. And what if I told you that you could predict those decisions before they happen? That's the power of sentiment analysis trading. Understanding the emotional state of the market and using it to your advantage. But before we dive into how sentiment can be your ultimate edge, let's lay the foundation. Because without proper money management, even the best strategy won't save you. Imagine you're a professional boxer. Do you walk into the ring throwing wild punches, hoping for a lucky knockout? No. You protect yourself first. You analyze your opponent. You wait for the perfect moment to strike. Trading is the same. If you throw all your money into one trade, hoping it'll be the one, you're already on your way to failure. The rule is simple. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your deposit per trade. Why? Because losses are part of the game. Even the best traders lose trades. But those who manage their risk stay in the game long enough to actually win. Trading isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about staying in the game long enough to master it. Now that we've secured the foundation, let's talk about how sentiment analysis is changing the way we trade. Let's break it down. Sentiment analysis is reading the market's emotions. Markets are driven by two things. Fear when traders panic and sell. Greed when traders FOMO in and buy at any price. If you know when the market is feeling fearful or greedy, you can predict where prices will go before technical indicators even catch up. Think of it like a poker game. The best players don't just look at their cards, they watch their opponents. They read their faces, their confidence, their hesitation. The market is your opponent. Sentiment analysis lets you read its face. So, and I just closed my first trade with a profit. Thanks for the accurate prediction, Max Bot. I will enter a new operation on another currency pair. American and Canadian dollar OTC. Higher. This is a recommendation from the bot. Max Bot is a tool with which you will really start to earn. Passability of its signals on average 80%. Look at the channel with reviews. How much people earn, the link in the description. I think the bulls will now be gaining ground within a sideways move. Friends, take part in our big contest with a prize of $1,000 for one random comment. The terms are simple. Watch this video in its entirety, give it a like, subscribe to the channel and write one comment on a trading topic below this video. I will choose 2 winners using randomizer and publish the results in my Telegram channel, where our team also shares knowledge about trading and helps traders to learn. The link is in the description. Subscribe. The contest is held every week. There was a time when fundamental and technical analysis were the kings of trading. But now, they're just part of the puzzle. Here's why sentiment analysis is the new frontier. Every market has two types of traders: smart money, hedge funds, institutions, whales. These are the players who move the market. Dumb money, retail traders who react emotionally, chasing trends and panic selling at the worst times. Sentiment analysis helps you see where the dumb money is piling in, so you can do the opposite. Example: if you see everyone on social media screaming buy, and retail traders are flooding in, guess what? The market is probably about to drop. Smart money waits for retail traders to overcommit before pulling the rug. Sentiment analysis tells you when that moment is coming. Back in the day, markets moved on official economic reports. Now, a single tweet can shake the entire financial world. Sentiment analysis tools scan. Twitter. Are traders feeling bullish or bearish? News headlines. Is fear dominating the media? Trading forums. What's the crowd talking about? If a major influencer tweets something bullish about a currency pair and sentiment data shows that retail traders are buying heavily, smart money is preparing to sell. You now have the insight to trade accordingly. So, how do you actually measure sentiment? Fear and Greed Index tells you when the market is too scared or too greedy. Commitment of Traders Report shows what big institutions are doing versus retail traders. Open interest data tracks how many positions are currently open in the market. How to use them. If sentiment is extremely bullish, it might be time to start looking for shorts. If sentiment is extremely bearish, the bottom might be near. Look for buy opportunities. The crowd is usually wrong. Your job is to trade against them at the right moment. So, and I just got a plus once again. Yes, MaxBot has once again given an accurate signal. Total profit for 2 trades, $2,944. Subscribe and click on the bell. See you soon.